Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the sixth chapter, and the name of this chapter is staffing. Okay, first of all, we should understand what is the meaning of staffing, what is the requirement of staffing. Students, staffing is very important function of management. And what is the need of staffing? We should understand. In any organization, there are certain employees, and when we use this managerial task, at that time we fill the positions of our organization. This is very important. We should see the person is competent for the given work. If that person is not competent, the work will become spoiled. So this is very important, how we can fill that position of our organization by an appropriate person. This is very important. Okay, so this is managerial task, and this is very important for an organization to fill or to keeping filled all the positions of our organizations with the help of appropriate person. So student, this work is done by the specialized persons who has the special knowledge in certain fields, and at that time they appoint the right persons for the right position in any organization. Clear? Now we will understand what is the importance of staffing. The first point is discovering competent personnel. As I have told you, this is very important for the growth of any organization. The work is to be done by the competent person. If the person who is doing the work in an organization and he is not competent in his field, there are different type of fields and different type of specialization, and we should select that person is appropriate for the specified work. So how to discover the competent person? What are the reasons for discovering the competent person? You have understood, but this is the main problem. How will you discuss? How will you discover? So by doing the staffing managerial work, we can discover the competent person for our organization. Okay, and the second point is higher performance. Students, this is very important. As you know, if an specialized person does the work in the organization according to his interest, he will give his 100% at that time. Otherwise, if we impose the work to the person who is not competent for that work, he will do the work because he is doing the job, but he is not satisfied, and when he is not satisfied, he will not give his 100%. And what is the effect in long run? We will see. On one hand, he is not satisfied, and on the other hand, our organization will suffer because performance will not be good, and the work has to be completed by that person is the forcefully, that is like a imposition. That work is imposed on him, so the work is spoiled. if we want to see the higher performance of our organization and higher performance of an individual employee, it is very important that we should appoint the competent person for the given post, for the given position in the organization. Now we will discuss the third point, continuous growth of enterprise. As I have told you, we have discussed already, when competent person does the work given by the organization, and at that time, according to his specialized knowledge, he will do the work, and at that time the results will be very good. And when continuous result will be good, at that time our growth of organization will certain. Okay, now we will see the fourth point, optimum utilization of human resources. As we have discussed what is the meaning of staffing, so you should also know this staffing work is done by the human resources. Means there is a department in any organization which is called HRM, Human Resources Management, and this department recruits the employees in our organization. At that time they see what they should see in the employees when they are at the time of interview. Okay, so this is very important, optimum utilization of human resources. When any person does the work in any organization, at that time he does the work according to him, but all the persons do the work given by the organization. At that time maximum utilization of human resources happens. And the fifth point is higher job satisfaction. When a specialized person does the work according to his knowledge, at that time job satisfaction is very high and the result will also be good. We can say all these fifth point are interrelated. Okay, and these points are very important for this point, staffing. So students, I think you have understood all the things very clearly. We will discuss some more things in the next video. Till then, thank you.